Hello, we are back to make a totally normal slime video. As you can tell from the other video, my sis was doing it, and she wasn't talking, she's doing on it, and I am making a very nice blue metallic slime. It's still going. It's looking good. I added some sparkles into it as well. It's gonna look extra pretty! Pretty! Ooh, it's got lots of bubbles in it. Ew. Get it off the side. Okay, here it comes. Okay, wait. I just keep going around the bowl like this. I don't know why. Done. Put on my nail. Hey guys. Ow! I'm gonna make some more slime. Oh, this is amazing.
This is my bowl now. Now bud up.
Now feel this,
Bud
like,
up.
literally. No, don't like that. Oh, this is so nice. It's so dark though, but it's so in real life.
And it smells so bad.
Because it is slime.
Sorry, great scented slime.
Yeah, but
drop. Booge. 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 Glue. This glue is running out.
well, then we have to get some more glue.
Here's the glue.
That glue's actually really nice. It makes the slime like really clicky.
Yeah.
If you're ever gonna think about getting clear glue, don't just buy some cheap one.
This
Get
won't
it
come
from
out.
Hobbycraft. Hobbycraft's clear glue lasts forever. Like when I just was wanting to try making clear glue slime for once, and I was like, excuse me, and then I actually thought about asking to get some Elmer's glue. And
How
then,
did get Elmer's glue?
I don't know.
Maybe she went to America.
This is so nice.
And this is so running out.
Look at sparkles in
I'm gonna add some clear glue actually, because
What did you do? You ran it out.
sorry. But at least you have some clear glue left.
Don't use all of it.
I am. This is just like liquid.
I like doing this. It feels so relaxing. It's like a basketball. Like one.
Okay, let's just mix it together. Let's just mix it together. What the heck?
This looks purple.
Wait. What color should I make this? Soon I'm gonna be making my own YouTube channel. I'm excited. What's your one gonna be called?
I mean, I don't know yet.
Oh, what's this? Oh yeah, I remember this.
What?
And it was rubbish. It didn't even work.
Try it.
I'm gonna sneeze.
Thinking about finding some vanilla extract. Because I'm sure we had some from that like perfume thing.
Something like that.
Yeah. I can't find it though.
Wet.
Wet. I wish I could just make this over and over again, and then not add some glitter. Hi.
Hey. We're so weird.
I'm gonna pop some cash. Only got $20 in my pocket. What to say? I hate that one.
It won't even come out. This is the only part that came out. I need it like something. I don't know.
No, I've already got a straw. There's already a straw.
Okay.
No, because we use that for drinking.
Not this one.
Yes, we do. Then why is it in there?
Because it is.
Because we use it for drinking.
Yeah. Yeah, I want to talk about.
Let's talk about chicken.
Yeah, let's go. Hey! No. Find that chicken. I love chicken. Chicken. It's the best. I love chicken. Okay. This is totally pink.
Eat. Oh, that could be like a strawberry slime.
Yeah. Ooh. Mm-hmm.
Strawberry smoothie slime.
Mm-hmm. Strawberry candy slime.
Imagine someone just made slime for the fun of it and then just like, yep, my slime is done, let's just put it in the bin now. Yeah, I've got foil in it.
Can I poke it?
You should poke it. Poking is like this.
I'm not even in the camera.
Would I get into the camera?
Just touch the glue.
I don't know,
I love my slime. It's like so
slime galore.
It's just the better day.
Slime galore.
Oh, why is it not coming out? I wish I didn't.
Because it's rubbish.
Okay, fine then. I can use more.
I want to add some of this. Oh no, I forgot to add my soap.
I like to use kind of like a lot of carbonate of soda.
I don't know when this paint is going to come out. So let's just not... Oh, it's coming out there, I think. There it is.
I like pink.
Who likes mixing in food colouring or paint into slime the most? Comment
If you enlarge the screen, then you can't comment down below.
I think most people would know that.
Yeah.
I only just found out recently, don't call me stupid, that if you just scroll down on your phone, then you can comment.
Wow.
And you just, because I was just scrolling down and I thought, oh, whatever, that you could comment on the phone.
Wow. You're stupid.
So don't call me stupid. Why can't I find one? No, you can't. It's illegal.
No, it's not. In your world, it is. Okay, this is coming together. It's coming together.
It's not in my world because my world is filled with unicorns and candy. Then! Now look at my beautiful swirl that I just ruined. This was my swirl, guys. No, it wasn't.
It's so weird in front of camera. Wait, no, you're weird every time and everywhere.
Bye, guys. And we're back. Hello. Hello. Blueberry.
This is strawberry slime.
This is blueberry.
I need a container for this. By the way, it's only like
Past, I would say 11? 11 past 11 past 11 past
yeah, it's
11.
it's still in the morning, so we haven't really got our hair done yet.
I haven't.
I
I
haven't
have a
either.
mess.
No, it's not.
Oh no! I had to smell that.
You're such a drama queen.
Oh, it doesn't matter. Mimi got some blue slime.